What is up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and as you know, well, I'm in Texas, baby, and we got the cold front coming up, and it's already currently like 30 degrees. Feels like 20 according to the thing, because you know over here is very humid. So I had to get my dogs in. Good thing right here in the garage is about, what 50 degrees. It might even drop to like 48, something like that later on tonight. But it's gonna be great because I have to get the dogs in. There's Diesel in the big cage. He sleeps really well on it. I lent one of the cages to my dad because I didn't know we were gonna use it. Unfortunately, I only have a middle cage, so Freya is in there. I will let her by herself, but she destroys everything that she can get. And then Taco, he does great, so no big issues with him. He can sleep right there and he'll be fine. So again, with that being said, cover your 3 P's, your plants, your pets, and your pipes. Stay safe, stay warm. That's it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.